Hi everyone, this is Maruf. In this video, I'm going to talk about importing Crystal reports onto SAP Business One. So SAP Business One allows you to import Crystal reports. All you have to do is go to Administration, then go to Setup, go to General, and then click on Report and Layout Manager. If you do not know where to find this, what you can do is you can go to the search bar, click on Search Menus, and then type in Report and Layout Manager. There you go. So what we are going to do is we're going to import a report that is related to business partner, which is what I have previously created for demo purposes. So we're going to click on business partner. Excuse me, you don't need to do anything here at this moment. What you have to do is actually click on import and then click on next and then click on browse. So this is the test report that I want to show for this demonstration. I click on that and then click on report on this radio button and content type. So basically where we want to place our report. So this is a business partner related report. So we're gonna just keep it underneath this business partner reports. Click on OK and finish. So report successfully imported is this, and not able to import successfully is empty. So basically the report has imported successfully, and we click on close. So it's just as easy as that. And if you want to see if it has imported, you click on business partner here and then business partner reports, and this is the report we just imported. We can change the name to this report. So since this is under business partner already, let's not give it a redundant title. Instead, we are going to call it balance report and click on update. Updated successfully. So if we go head over to business partners and then business partner reports, we see our report at the bottom here, balance report. So this is our report as of today's date. This says February 17th, even though it is not February 17th in fact, because I am using a trial version of the software, and in order for the Crystal server to work with SAP Business One on a trial version of the software, the date has to be set on when the software was installed, or any date within the 1 month trial period, which I have already discussed in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please check it on my channel. So this is how you import a Crystal report in SAP Business One. Now there's an option to export an SAP Business One Crystal report, but the problem here is that once you export the report, the report is exported as a package which is of .b1 px format. Let me show you what it looks like. So we go to general once again and report and layout manager, click on the report we just imported and try to export it. Next. So basically this is the report we just imported. Click on next, give it a package name. So this report is going to be exported as a package, and we also get to select where we want to place it. Let's just place it on the desktop for now and click on finish. So it says SAP Business One has successfully exported test.b1px to this location. So basically b1px is a format that cannot be exported. Basically, if you do some research on SAP's website, you will be able to find you will be able to verify what I just said. So what SAP actually suggests you to do is, instead of exporting, what you do is you go to report and layout manager, select the report, and then you click on edit. So right now I'm getting an error because I am unable to open the Crystal server through this trial software. So if you have a license and if you have a licensed version of the software, you will be once you click edit, the Crystal server, the Crystal report in fact will open. with the report for you to edit. So that's what SAP suggested to do. Since I have a trial software, I'm unable to demonstrate that here, but I guess it helps on how to import and export an SAP Business One Crystal report. So that's it for now. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video or if it helped you. And if there's anything else you want to see, please comment down below. And until next time, thank you.